Howdy, my name is Fernanda Aro, and today I'm going to be talking about the tropical rainforest biome. So, location. Tropical rainforests are usually found within 10 degrees latitude of the equator. The equator can be seen right here, and as we can see, some of the major tropical rainforests are the Amazon rainforest, which is found here, and is the biggest rainforest, the Congo forest, which is right here, located in Africa, and the New Guinea rainforest, which can be found right here. Biodiversity. The tropical rainforest is the most diverse terrestrial biome. It has many layers of vegetation, allowing for that biodiversity. Here are some of the animals and some of the plants that can be found in the tropical rainforest, like the poisonous frog and the toucan. Weather and climate. There is no dry season in the tropical rainforest, which allows for 2,000 to 4,000 millimeters of rain per year, and the temperature is always at around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And since there's always a high level of precipitation, it's very humid. As we can see here, the highest months of precipitation are July and August. Some key adaptations. Organisms have evolved to have many adaptations, allowing them to survive the harsh environment. First, we have the epiphyte plants, and those are plants that grow on top of other plants. So it's usually like a tree and plants growing on them, which allows for that layering that I mentioned before. And they also have a shallow root system, which allows them to absorb way more water, like with the abundant precipitation. They also have drip tips, which are a specific leaf morphology adapted for the rainy ecosystem. And many organisms are able to camouflage, as we can see with the chameleon right here. And lastly, they have poison or like poisonous organisms, and they tend to be bright colored in order to poison their predators, as we can see here with the poisonous blue frog. And here are my references.